Stock number 40343G. It's a 2010 CC Volkswagen. It doesn't have a key. Motor's a TSI. Got a couple little parking lot dings on the hood. Scratch right there off the paint. Right here on the passenger front door's got a couple parking lot dings. Some scratches. The door. Dent down there. Parking lot ding right there. Got a big dent up here. The tail light's broken. The rear bumper's no good. It's damaged over here. The driver's side quarter panel's no good. It's got right here, that side, parking lot ding right there. The driver door's no good. Driver's side fender's no good. Got a dent right here. It doesn't have no key. Box. Got up here. That's broken. Kind of tearing the sides right there. There's the passenger side rear view. There's the driver's side visor. Doesn't have a sunroof. There's the headrest for there, so that's good. All the interior's in good condition. That rear mirror's broken. Again, this is stock number 40343G. It's a 2010 CC Volkswagen.